Finding the best drone for you isn't easy. Whether you're a complete beginner or a professional photographer who's looking to add a new dimension to your stills or video, the latest drones combine great image quality, ease of use and impressive value for money. We've spent countless hours testing a wide range of these aerial movie makers, and you can see the results in this video. Right now, the best drone for most people is the Dji Mavic Air 2. This mid-range all-rounder combines beginner-friendly flying with a superb range of shooting modes and excellent image quality. Welcome to Top 10 TV channel. Mavic Air 2 takes power and portability to the next level, offering advanced features in a compact form factor. Intelligent shooting functions and excellent image quality put aerial masterpieces within reach. Safer, smarter flight enables you to up your game while fully enjoying the creative process. If you want to buy, click on the link in description. Here are 10 reasons to buy Dji Mavic Air 2. Number 1. Ultra clear details, with 1/2-inch image sensor capturing at 4K, 60 frames per second video and high-quality images with 48 megapixel. This 48 megapixel camera supports a high megapixel count that allows for vivid details even when you zoom in on an image. Number 2. Cinematic content with 8K hyperlapse and quick shots. Time and movement. Mavic Air 2 supports hyperlapse in 8K, allowing you to warp time and space for especially stunning footage. Best of all, you can achieve this shot without complex post-processing. Choose from free, circle, course lock, and waypoint modes, select the shooting location, and the DJI Fly app will do the rest. Number 3. Long battery life. Stay in the air long enough to get the perfect capture with an impressive battery life. Stay up to 34 minutes and pull off epic, fast-paced shots with a max flight speed of 68 km per hour in sport mode. This longer battery life allows you to stay focused on your target and capture every classic moment that you want. Number 4. Fly smarter and safer. Mavic Air 2 perceives its environment in 3 directions: forward, backward, and downward. An auxiliary light improves visibility, and the extra layer of security that obstacle avoidance provides is ideal for pushing the limits of what is possible. Number 5. Range of 10 km with 1080p and 30 frames per second video transmission. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 10 km and can also deliver 1080p FHD resolution livestream directly from the drone's camera. Enjoy more freedom for exploring and more clarity for that perfect shot. Number 6. Focus Track. Professional quality footage is effortless thanks to Focus Track. This easy-to-use suite of intelligent tracking modes includes Active Track 3.0, Spotlight 2.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, allowing you to unleash your creativity. Number 7. Smooth Flight. Mavic Air 2 supports 2.4, 5.8 GHz dual-frequency communication and automatically switches to the best channel with the lowest interference in real time. This significantly improves the aircraft's anti-interference ability in challenging environments, increasing flight safety. Number 8. Imagination Simplified. Capture cinematic video clips automatically with quick shots. With just a few taps, Mavic Air 2 plans and flies a complicated aerial route for a professional quality shot. You can add music, effects, and filters with super intuitive story templates so you can share your masterpiece directly to social media. Number 9. Remote Controller for Operator. The newly designed remote controller features an ergonomic design for a more comfortable grip and boasts an impressively long battery life of 240 minutes. The new clamp makes attaching smartphones fast and easy, while integrated antennas significantly improve user experience. Number 10. ND filters and optimal options. Mavic Air 2 offers two ND filter sets that help control exposure and provide more creative options. The ND 16, 64 and 256 set is helpful for adjusting shutter speed and in extreme lighting conditions, while the ND 4, 8 and 32 set enables vivid images even with low ISO values. If this video was informative for you, then give a like and don't forget to subscribe and pressing bell icon so you don't miss any interesting video.